Keeping everything connected can be a complex and costly task in project management, but it doesn't need to be. Introducing Connectors for Jira, your bridge to seamless project collaboration, effortlessly connecting Jira to Google Drive, Calendar, and Sheets. In a single toolkit, you can easily link files and folders, creating context and traceability all without switching tools. Create events directly from Jira, streamlining your project communication to save yourself time and energy. Export Jira data to Google Sheets and update it with a single click. Share reports with non-Jira users without having to export or recreate documents. What's more, Connectors for Jira is built on the Atlassian Forge framework. With your data remaining within Atlassian, Connectors for Jira is secure from the outset. With a Pro version coming soon and more integrations on the way, Connectors for Jira is your way forward. Try our free app today. Download it now and streamline your projects like never before.